Hunter, and this is Minty Garage, where I'm going to show you some really fucked up shit and some really baller shit. Alright guys, so today on Minty Garage Performance, we're going to tow a Trailblazer that's stuck in a creek, half submerged, in the water for a buddy's buddy. And I told the kid nothing less than $100 or I'm not touching it. Taking a chance of some different options, and so that's where I sit. And as you just heard, my 30-year synchro. But we're pulling up. We're about I think 5 minutes out, and hopefully though all goes well. We're gonna observe this situation, but hopefully we can make a video out of this, to be honest, because I feel like this is badass. Unmarked car right there. Police probably gonna turn around, flip his lights on, no front bumper action, you know what I'm saying, back there. Probably can't see him, but light is green, so we're getting off here, boys. So we're bogging out in the creek in the Cummins, David, Ashley. Can't really see him, what we got going on here. Ooh, buddy, we're bogging out. Oh. Oh. Who fucking needs a tree branch in their life? Oh, we see a light down there. This is where we are headed to, guys. It wasn't really that bad. I think we're in 4 high right now. So, update you guys when we get down here. Oh, yeah. So, oh, yeah. We're gonna avoid that. I never thought I'd be taking this Cummins off-road. So, there's another one. Oh, we hit her with the old bypass. Alright. Oh! We're gonna observe this situation before we really get bogging out. Is this the kid I try to fight? Hey! Hey!
I'm a booty cranker. How you doing?
We're observing the situation before we
We're vlogging for educational purposes only.
So all right, Mikey. at least you kind of look cute.
You should see the floorboards.
Hey, how deep is she, Ricky?
Yeah, I wouldn't step through all this because this is like really big.
Oh.
Oh
Oh.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah. All right. Let me get turned around, and we're gonna pull this rig out. This fucking rig. Oh, hopefully the strap we got's good.
You're fucked, boy.
They're gonna call the cops up there.
Oh, now we're chilling.
He watched us come back here. So we're back here in the bog for sure. See this light real quick so we show them what we got going on. So as we all know, Connor hit my tailgate a little bit ago, took out our receiving hitch. So we're tucked up back there under the gooseneck ball, so it's really not that bad. I don't feel like back here. Buddy had just hit a spot.
In the bog, you know, ain't nothing to it. We'll get bang or pull Mikey out.
Yes, sir.
Or hopefully get him back on the road. It's gonna start up.
Hopefully. We should get it.
What the fuck is he doing now?
I think he's about to hook it to both.
Oh, I think he's about to hook it to the other hook. Pull. Whenever you're ready, start pulling.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, time. Fuck. Fuck, he's still in park.
Old Buckaroo's got to get in neutral.
Oh yeah. A lot better. Now you can actually see your face and shit.
Oh yeah. So we're waiting on Buckaroo to get in neutral and give her another shot.
Yes, sir. Let's hope we can pull her out of here for real.
I'd stay in that motherfucker. Mikey! Stay in that motherfucker. That won't. Is the battery working? Woo!
I'm saying.
Huh? It's in neutral. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Hey, we got
All right, we're good. All right, cool beans.
Get it off. Tell Hudson to get his camera over here before we open these doors. Hey,
It's already over here.
hey. Ooh, yeah. God damn. Oh my God. Damn, buddy.
Yeah, you were overdue for a fucking deep clean.
Oh yeah. Might need to change the oil on some other shit.
We got a little damage to the little roll pan, but ain't nothing. Oh my! Oh yeah. What color is she blowing, babe? Hey, okay, Mikey. Stay out the fucking bog next time. Stay out of the bog. What did we learn here today, kids? Don't go trailing. So, hop back in here. We're soaked currently. So,
Oh, hey, is this one of their lights?
I think, but we can give it back to them in the fucking parking lot, babe.
Fucking hey.
So, we're gonna head back out. All right, so it says they're open, but they're not. Workers over there, you know, doing the deal. So we blew our 15 amp park lamp. No big deal, you know, a couple bucks off what we made. She burnt, so just have to replace that tomorrow, I guess. AutoZone and O'Reilly's is closed, so, you know, doing the deal here. So put this back on and head home, guys. That was kind of crazy, not even gonna lie. All right, so we got a 25, which is about 10 over. Don't know if it's gonna hurt it or not. Never done this in my life. We'll say that. You know, they're closed, but I don't even. What is that one for? That's for amp fog light. So, which we don't have fog lights on this rig right now, so guess we didn't need it, but. Hey man, we are live. Good fucking deal, to be honest. Couldn't be happier. Cab lights are back. Made some money in about 10 minutes. Hey, worth my time, worth his. Help buddy out. Yep, 20's my pocket there wet from me crawling. But yeah, we're gonna head home, guys. Go ride tomorrow. So I was on the phone with a buddy, explaining my night. I'm like, you know what's amazing? The roll pan only has 2 tacks. How did it not come loose? Like, boom. All right, we got 3 technically, but I just pushed her in a little bit. So this needs fixed, but for real, like, push her out, and I think we're gonna run this fucker. Who cares? It's been through hell already. I love this thing. Can't get over it.